Hello, my dear old students. How are you? I hope all of you are doing well. This is our 10th week of this semester, and in this week, we are going to know about two methods of integration. One is Simpson's 3/8 rule, and another one is Waddle's rule. Okay, now let's start. At first, I would like to discuss about Simpson's 3/8 rule. Simpson's 3/8 rule is a simple method of finding areas. The equation are given here, which is y, um, mm, y, which is the function fx of dx, and integral from x0 to xn. And the equation is 3h by 8 into y0 plus yn plus um, 2 y into y3 plus y6 plus dot 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 up to yn minus 3, then plus 3 into y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus up to yn minus 1. This is the Simpson's one-third rule, where x0 equals to a and x0, xn equals to b, and h equals to b minus a into n, which we already know, and this is the sum interval. And this formula can be used only when the number of subdivisions of the intervals of integers is multiple of 3. Okay, there is an example given for you where you can see that a function, integral function, which starts from 0 to pi by 2, and the function is sin x dx. By using Simpson's one-third rule, you have to solve it. So at first, the function which is y equals to sin x, you already know from the equation, and a equals to 0, b equals to pi by 2, and n equals to 6. It's a you have the sub-intervals. We just simply consider it from our equation. Now, start your solution by using the given values, and you can easily find out the sub-intervals values, which is h, and the value is pi by 12. Okay, now simply put these values in the equation, from where you can get out the y's value, that means sin x value. When x equals to 0, that means a equals to 0, then um, y0 equals to 0. Then x1 equals to, when we put pi by 12, then y1 equals to a number, corresponding number. You have to find out that. In this way, you have to calculate up to x6 and then get y6 equals to 1. Now just put all the values in the Simpson's one-third rule and to find out the area of the equation, which is 1.1 1.0001, and this is your desired result. Now, Waddle's rule. In Waddle's rule, we have to consider n equals to 6 and neglecting the differences of orders higher than 6. And we just get the equation, which is y dx equals to 3h by 10 y0 plus 5y1 plus y2 plus 6y3 plus y4 plus 5y5 plus y6, in this way up to unlimited way, where x equals to x0 equals to a, xn equals to b, and h equals to b minus a divided by n, which is the subintervals number. Okay. Now this formula required at least 7 constructive values of the function. 7 constructive values of the function. Okay, is a function given for you where you have to find out the areas of this equation by using Waddle's rule. The function is what? The function is integral of a lower limit is a 1.2 and the upper limit is 1.8, and the function is x plus 1 by x dx. Now let's start our solution where you can see that the function is a y equals to x plus 1 by x and a equals to 1.2, b equals to 1.8 and some intervals equals to 6 and the intervals equals to 6 and we get easily subintervals which is b minus a divided by n and the value is h equals to zero point 0.1. Now, just simply calculate the function's values by using Waddle's rules. And initially, when x naught equals to 1.2, then a corresponding y naught equals to values we get, which is 2.0333. And in this way, we have to calculate up to 6 point, that is 86 equals to 1.8, and y6 equals to 2.3556. And all these values, if we put in the Waddle's rule, then we get our desired area and we get 1.30655. Thank you all. That's all for today's week. I have all of you understand. I think all of you understand the lecture, and if you face any difficulties or have any problem, please let me know through e-learning, and please try to join the live session which will be held on every Thursday from 8 to 9 p.m. Stay safe. Thank you all.